So I just got done with the Goodwill, little Goodwill sourcing time, little book time at Goodwill. It turned out to be really good, a lot better than Nashville. I feel like there's a lot of people not like me here. A lot of people like me in Nashville. A lot of people that go around to the stores and buy and resell stuff. Not so much in Little Rock, apparently. Or maybe I just went to a really nice Goodwill. Everything was really nice there. But I'm about to go in Starbucks. I have all the ISBN numbers on a Word document on my phone so I can type them in, list all the books. Hopefully I won't have to touch those again, wrap them up, take them to Walgreens about 2 miles down that way and get the shipment out. Might come out here, fry some eggs in the back of my car on my gas grill, eat them, find a Walmart parking lot, hospital parking lot to sleep in, and call it a night. Peace out, guys. Late night snack. Got the raw nuts from Sprouts yesterday, and here I am in a Walmart parking lot. Not gonna lie, it's not glamorous. A lot of noise right now. It's around 11:20, so I assume that'll cool down a little bit. I pointed out when I pulled in, I saw about probably at least three vans that look like people are living in them. So I never really thought about it before, but that's super cool that Walmart allows people to sleep in their parking lots, and they have security that goes around all night. At least this one does. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but I don't want to know. I just want to sleep and wake up and get out of here. I'm sure I'll get used to sleeping in Walmart parking lots eventually. But this is my first night. Not the first 4 nights were in one of my friends' yards, so that's a whole different aspect. Now I'm actually just out in the wild. And that's another thing I was thinking about. Would it be better to have my car, like have someone knock on my car or try to break in my car in the wild or in a Walmart parking lot? Because that's two different types of people, you know what I mean? Like when you're out in the wild and someone's trying to come in, they're probably trying to kill me. But here they're just trying to, they're just trying to get my iPad and my iPhone and all that. Out in the wild, they're probably going to try to take my canoe off my car. They probably don't care about anything else. Let's get that canoe. But, yeah, I scouted it out. There's about 15 Goodwills in the Arkansas area. And there's a national park about 45 minutes away from here. So, national parks let you sleep in your car or camp, whatever you want to call it, for 2 weeks at a time. So, I don't know how they keep track of that, but I'll probably be heading out there eventually. I really want to make progress on these books. I don't want to just go on a big long camping trip as much as I want to. Number one, the weather's been bad. It's been raining a lot, so the rivers are probably pretty swollen. But I just want to get some shipments out. Got 22 boxes left. So yeah, make that money. Peace out, guys. Eggs, mushrooms, spinach. Got some oatmeal with cinnamon in it. Gonna put the kimchi with the eggs. Got the coffee. Gotta AeroPress that baby. Thank you, Walmart. Just went in there and bought a towel because I lost my towel already, and didn't bring anything to clean my dishes, and they had scrubbies in there, so it's a good day.